Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with a very important opportunity, and this is a breaking news from the company HCL Tech. So finally they have announced the hiring, and this is a kind of internship program. So kickstart your career with HCL Tech, where innovation meets opportunity, and candidates for 9 months in-person internship will be there. So inviting duration and flexibility, that is internship duration is 9 months, and location will be Chennai and Noida. Only these locations, for these location only they are hiring. And eligibility criteria is you should be from the UG, BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BE, BTech. Friends, before applying for that, make sure to listen each and every point whatever I am discussing here in this video. Okay, so batch they have mentioned 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 means all can apply for this wonderful opportunity. And friends, if you are from a BE, BTech background, then I will suggest just stop, don't apply now. Okay, especially if you are 2025 or 2026, because especially for 2026 they will announce a separate hiring. Okay, they haven't clearly mentioned, because this hiring you can say clearly that they are hiring, or eligibility criteria for this is BA, BSc, BCom, BBA. So this is not dedicated BTech hiring, and this is not a kind of complete technical role that they are usually do, means GET hiring. So आपको भैया wait करना चाहिए, don't apply for that. But yeah, if you are from BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, then you should apply for this wonderful opportunity. And work from office will be there, and this is 9 months stipend based internship. So this is wonderful opportunity. And what is the roles and responsibility? Version proctoring and interview processing. Scholars connect with assessment process, excellent people skills and communication skills, MS Office, calling up the candidates from the database, and counseling of candidates and parents. Dear friends, you can clearly see from the job descriptions, roles and responsibility that this is not a technical role, or they are not hiring for the, you can say, the software developer role. Okay, so you should be careful before applying, because in the HCR portal, if you will go now, then you can apply just once. Okay, so make sure to have verify all those details. Okay, so when you will click here the apply link, then a new link will be open, and here you have to basically just register first. Okay, so if you are the from, again saying, if you are from BBT background, no need to do the registration and anything. Okay, because HCL allow only one time registration. You have to provide your mobile number, and if you will give the details, then further way you might not be able to apply. So be careful before applying. Okay, and other things they clearly mentioned that you will be calling up the candidates and scheduling this coordination with candidates on submission of document and offer release, conducting counseling session, webinar, and assessment. So you can say no any point mentioned about the technical role, about the development of any software. That's the reason they have given the criteria BA, BSc, BCom. Means for getting selected, just you need the good communication skills and basic skills, analytical skills. That is the requirement. So ensure all data are captured in the system that is being used, and any other works are assigned by the reporting manager or the organization. Means you have to just feel, or you have to check these were roles and responsibility. Means no any technical responsibilities here, either testing or other. So be careful before applying. Okay, and if I want to open in this, or if I'm just copying this link and I'm trying to open in some other tab, then you can see. Okay, just let me show how to register, or if you want to register it. So for that, simply a login dashboard will be open, and this is the basically interface you wanna see. Register logins. If you already registered, just you have to give the login, and this is the reason I'm saying don't apply, because you have to give a mobile number, and that you know that it should be unique. So if you will not, if you will not able to register again, that's the reason I'm saying you have to give just enter email address and name and mobile number and OTP and state, then you will successfully register, and post that you will be redirected to new page, the page which I have just shown you. So this is the page you will be getting, and you can check here my applications, my communications, and you can basically apply for this. Remember, technical role, again saying wait for the official. Okay, for the technical there are basically various things, that is graduate engineer trainee infra. So this is the role for I'm taking. This is especially for BE, BTech, IT, CSE, EC, triple E. So, and this is the requirement. So they haven't announced the GET hiring yet. So whenever they will announce, I'm gonna provide update. So this is wonderful opportunity, especially from BA, BSc, and go and apply for this opportunity. Friends, in my YouTube channel, I regularly post lots of important job updates and internship and the interview related videos. So if you want, you can subscribe us, and you will get lots of important video here. Okay, we already posted lots of important coding questions, especially NQT exam, those who have. And if you want to have a mock interview with us, then you can also fill the form. We'll provide you dedicated guidance and complete support. If you have any query, feel free to ask it. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, Facebook, and you can ask query there. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.